Use a Victory Innovations Electrostatic backpack sprayer to get the most out of your chemical application following these simple directions. All Victory Innovations backpack electrostatic sprayers come with a 16.8-volt lithium-ion battery. To charge your battery, simply snap-align the grooves of the battery into the charger and push the battery forward into a locking position, listening for the click. You'll notice the charger has two sets of lights on it. When oriented as shown, the set of lights on the right side indicate the amount of time left remaining before the battery is fully charged. The lights along the left side of the charger will indicate the level of charge inside the battery. When the battery is finished charging, push it into place in the front of the unit. Secure the door by tightening the knob clockwise until it can't be turned anymore. The Victory Backpack Electrostatic Sprayer is fitted with a removable 2.25-gallon tank. To remove the tank from your Victory Backpack Sprayer, simply pull the handle lock towards the front of the unit, loosening the tank. Push back again towards the back of the unit. Now, you will be able to pull the tank up and off the unit. Reattach the tank by aligning the base of the tank into the base of the unit. Pull the handle lock towards the front of the unit so the handle catches the groove at the top of the tank. Secure in place by snapping the handle back into place. Unlike other sprayers, our Victory Backpack Sprayer has a three-way adjustable nozzle. The nozzle has settings for 40, 80, and 110 microns. Having a three-way adjustable nozzle allows the user to adjust the micron size based on the dwell time desired. To rotate the nozzle, simply insert the wrench into the nozzle end of the unit and rotate clockwise. The nozzle will click when the next micron size is properly in place. To remove the nozzle from the unit, insert the wrench into the front end of the unit. Rotate the wrench counterclockwise until the nozzle comes loose. To insert the nozzle into the unit, insert the wrench and nozzle into the front end of the unit. Rotate the wrench counterclockwise 1/4 turn until the nozzle locks in place. To attach the hose at the connections both on the backpack unit and the wand, the larger quick-release connections simply snap on the corresponding receivers, and the smaller connection mechanisms require the metal release on the hose to be aligned with the molded guides on the receiver of the wand/unit. The series of LED lights along the front left side of the backpack unit indicate the amount of charge the backpack has remaining. Each light represents 20% of battery. When the lowest LED turns red, that indicates there is only 20% of battery remaining.